this expandable list view. That is the next step. So right click the package and create a new Java class. I name the class as movies adapter. I name the class as movies adapter and click finish. Okay, we got the class here, and I make the class extends some class called base expandable list adapter. Okay, so we need some override methods here. So now I am going to implement all the override method. Okay, so we got a lot of methods here: get child ID, get child view, get children count, get group count, group ID, get group view, has stable IDs, and is child selectable. Okay, we got a lot of override methods here. We need all these methods. So before going to do anything here, we need some variables here. So we need some variables here. So I am going to declare some variables here. First one is an object of the context class. I name the variable as ctx. Second one is we need a hash map here. Second one is a hash map of type string, also a list. Okay, I name the variable as movies category. Okay, fine, movies category. Also we need a list, private list of string type. I name the list as movies list. Okay, so now I'm going to declare a constructor here for this class. So public movies adapter, and it has 3 arguments. First one is a context object, context ctx. Second one is a hash map. I use the same variable name as arguments. Second one is a hash map, and third one is a list. So I use the same variable as parameter. Okay, so just define a constructor for this class that has 3 arguments. Here is a semicolon, not needed. Okay, so just define a constructor that has 3 arguments. First one is a context object, second one is a hash map variable, and third one is an array list. Okay, so now we have to initialize all the variables declared on this class. First one is the context object. So this dot ctx equal to ctx. Okay, second variable is the hash map. So this dot movie category is equal to movies category, and the third variable is the list. So this dot third variable is the list. What is that variable name? Movies list equal to movies list. Okay, so now we declare some variables and we initialize all that variables in the constructor of this class. Okay, now go to the main activity.java file. We need an object of the adapter class called the movies adapter here. So I'm going to create an object of the class called movies adapter. Okay, so we have to initialize that way object. So adapter adapter equal to new movies adapter. First one is the context object, pass this. Second one is the hash map movies category, and third one is the list movies list. Okay, what is the problem here? Okay, it is movies list, small letter, movies list. Okay, what is this movies category? What is the hash map? Okay, it is small c, movies category. Okay, so we just initialize the array class object here. Now we can add this adapter into the list view, into the expandable list view. So here the expandable list view object is exp list. So exp list dot set adapter, and set the adapter. Okay, now we have to complete the override methods on the movies adapter.java class. That is our next step. So the first method is get child method. Okay, you can see that this method has two integer arguments. For avoiding the confusion, I rename the argument. First one is parent and second one is child. Okay, this is for just avoiding the confusion. First argument is the parent, second argument is the child. Okay, this return an object. So we have to return an object here. So return, first is the hash map movies category dot get, and the list movies list dot get. So here we have to pass the argument parent. Now get child. Okay, this will return the current child as object. Okay, that is enough for this method. Now come to the get child id method. Okay, this is also has two integer arguments. I rename it as parent and second argument as child. Okay, so here there is nothing to do. We have to just return the second argument here, return child. Okay, now come to the third method called get child view. This method actually make the view for each child appearance, that means each subcategory. This method will return a view for each subcategory. Okay, so first argument, I rename the first argument as parent, second is child, third there is a boolean. This indicates means this is the last child, so last child. This has value true if the expanded list is the last child, and the third one is the convert view, and final one is the view group. So it is the parent view. Okay, so here first we have to get the title for the child. So create a string value, string child title equal to, there is a method, we have to call that method called get child. We have to call this method get child. So child title equal to, call that method get child. First we have to pass the parent, second we have to pass the child. Okay, so this will return the current title of the child. We have to cast it into string. Okay, so now we have to create the convert view. If the convert view is not available for the current child, that means if the current child is a new one, there is no view present for that particular child. So we have to check whether the convert view is null or not. If the convert view is null, we have to create that convert view. So that is the next step. We have to check if convert view is null. If the convert view is null, we have to make the convert view. So we need some object of layout inflator equal to ctx dot get system service, and the argument is context dot layout inflator service. Okay, so by using this method, here we need to cast it into layout inflator. Okay, so by using this object we can make the view, convert view. So convert view equal to inflator dot inflate. So the first child inflate layout is the child layout, so we have to inflate that view. R dot layout dot child layout, and here the root is parent view. Also we need a third argument, it is false. Okay, so now we make the convert view. So if there is no convert view, if there is no view present for the current child, we make the convert view. Okay, now we can get the text view from the convert view. So we need an object of text view here. Text view child text view equal to convert view dot find view by id r dot id dot. Okay, we have to check it on the child layout. The text view id is child txt. So here child txt. Okay, we have to cast it into object because these are objects. So cast it into text view, and finally we have to set text for the child view. We have to set the text for the child view is child title. Okay, child text view dot set text. Here it is child title, and finally we can return that convert view. Okay, so now we have to create code for the group. So okay, one more thing, here there is another method called get children count. So return movies categories dot get movies list dot get, that argument is arg0, and get the size. Okay, this will return the number of subtitles available in each list. Okay, and now come to the get group method. Here in this method we have to return the number of group available in that list view. So return movies list dot size. Sorry, it is not movies list dot size, movies list dot get and arg0. This will return the current title available in the list view in the list. So now come to the get group count. This will return movies list dot size. this will return the number of list available, actual number of list in the variable called the movies list. Okay, now come to the get group ID. There is nothing to do, we just return the argument arg0. Okay, that's enough. Now come to the final method called get group view. Here also we need to do the same steps here. So first thing, we have to get the group title. So create a string group title equal to, we have to call that override method called get group and pass the first argument. First argument is parent, second argument is a boolean, it is check is expanded, third one is the convert view, and final one is the parent view. Okay, so here get group title equal to get group, pass the first argument parent. It's a string, we have to cast it into string. So this method will return the current title of the group. So we got the current title in this variable called the group title. Okay, now we have to check whether the convert view is null or not. If convert view equal to null, if the convert view is null, we have to define that convert view. So we need the layout inflator object. Inflator equal to context ctx dot get system service context dot layout inflator service. So by using this object, we have to create the convert view for the new group. So convert view equal to inflator dot inflate, the resource is r dot layout dot parent layout, and here the root is parent view. Also need a third argument false. Okay, so if the convert view is null, we just create the convert view. So now using that convert view, we have to get the text view on the parent layout.xml. So text view parent text view equal to convert view dot find view by id r dot id dot, we have to check it on parent layout. Okay, parent txt, that is the id dot parent txt. Okay, we need casting here because this is objects convert into text view. Okay, now we need some. Okay, now we have to make the text view into bold, so we need to add something. Parent text view dot set, there is a method called set typeface. This one, set typeface. There is no style here, so pass null, and the style is bold, so typeface dot bold. Okay, make the text view bold. Now we can set the text for the text view. So parent text view dot set text. Here the text is group title. Okay. Now we can return the convert view. Okay, so now we complete all the coding here. There are two other methods, is table IDs, has table IDs, and is children selectable. This is now false. So in the next video I will show you what is the even listeners and action listeners when the user click the text view, user click the title and the subcategories. I will show you on the next video. Okay, now we successfully completed the coding for the expandable list view. Now we can check our project. Okay, now we can run the application. So run as Android application. Okay, we got the output here. First one is the comedy movie list. We can expand that one. Now this is not selectable because that override method on the movies adapter is not set into true one. If this is set into true one, we can select the child. Okay, I will explain it in the next part of this tutorial. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video. I put all this code in my blog and you can download this entire project from my blog. Thank you for watching. See you in the next part.